Spotify Camp Nou is entering a spectacular new phase, and the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. With every new detail, the legendary stadium is getting closer to revealing the incredible vision that awaits. The Tribune is getting ready for the return of the ceramic slats, and new concrete panels are finally appearing around the mobility cores. But that's not all. Several important developments are happening at the same time, and together, they are giving us a clearer look at the stadium's future identity. Inside the Tribune area, there has been much more movement. New anchors have appeared in sections that previously had none. While elevated platforms continue working around the facade and additional pieces are waiting nearby for installation. Across the central sections, most of the anchors now appear to be in place, preparing the facade for the future ceramic slats. A concrete pump and mixer are also positioned nearby, indicating that further work is being prepared in this area. In the same Tribune section, the remaining slabs on the stairways have now been installed, completing the previously unfinished areas. Workers are also clearing away leftover material from the cutting process, helping prepare and clean the access areas ahead of tomorrow's match. Moving toward the corner, work continues around the mobility core. The protective netting has been moved after the installation of pipes was completed in the previous section, allowing work to continue into the next area. More pipes are now being installed along the lower part of the overhang, while the sandwich panel installation is approaching completion, with only a few remaining panels needed to cover this mobility core. Another nearby section is also being prepared for its next stage, with workers painting and treating the steel structure before the sandwich panels are installed. Large quantities of pipes and other materials are ready in the area, while structural elements continue to receive their finishing treatment. The remaining compression ring box is also in position and ready for its future installation. As we move into Goulsur, work continues around the walkway in front of the mobility cores. Sections of flooring and protective railing elements are being prepared, while another smaller walkway section is also moving toward its next stage of construction. Activity can also be seen higher up, where finishing and painting work is underway. With different sections progressing through their respective stages, Goulsur continues to develop as the surrounding facade takes shape. Further along Goulsur, workers are carrying out additional finishing work around the facade. Metal elements are being installed in sections that are receiving their decorative covering, while work is also taking place around the lighting fixtures attached to the pillars. At the same time, several lower sections beside the mobility cores are being prepared for the return of the ceramic slats, which will help complete this part of the facade and bring it further in line with the finished sections around the stadium. Before reaching the lateral side, there is activity inside one of the diamond structures, where workers are moving materials and continuing preparation work. Further ahead, the lateral side remains one of the busiest parts of the stadium. Several teams are working around the diamond, continuing with formwork, reinforcement, and block work. Wooden boards are being cut and installed to prepare different structural sections, while workers continue shaping and enclosing the reinforcement. At the same time, more structural elements are being secured above the entrances, with most of the installation already completed and the final section now receiving attention. Higher up on the lateral side, green structural beams and supporting elements have been installed, preparing this level for the next phase of sandwich panel installation. Until now, sandwich panels have mainly been used between the first and second levels of the stadium, and the preparation of this higher level represents another important step forward. Several sections are now readying their supporting structures for this next phase. Nearby, welding work is also taking place, while the bolts, trusses, and surrounding steel elements have been painted and prepared, bringing these mobility core sections closer to receiving their exterior covering. Work inside the diamond structures is also moving forward. Workers continue installing formwork around the reinforcement while blocks are being placed to build up different sections toward their final height. Several areas are already approaching completion, while other sections are progressing through the next stages of formwork and structural preparation. The nearby corner is filled with construction materials and elevated platforms, showing just how much activity is taking place across this section. At different levels, teams continue preparing the structure for the next phases of facade and finishing work. Arriving at Gol Norte, the level of visible activity increases significantly. A new connecting beam is being installed between the supports for the ceramic slats, while elevated platforms are operating nearby at different levels. At the same time, workers are continuing with the LED system, installing and organizing the wiring for the lighting fixtures. Several cables are already in place, while the remaining sections are now being prepared for connection, making Gol Norte one of the most active and interesting areas of the stadium. A major new development can also be seen along the lower exterior section of the mobility cores, where the installation of concrete panels has now begun. 3 panels have already been placed, marking the start of an important new phase in covering this part of the structure. Scaffolding is also being assembled nearby to support the continuing installation work, while workers carry on with the LED wiring across the same area. With multiple teams operating simultaneously around the mobility cores, Gol Norte is currently one of the busiest construction zones at the stadium. Turning our attention to the 3rd tier, workers are now active around Gol Norte as this upper level continues to move into its next phase. The recently installed railings are currently visible on the lateral side, while the Tribune section is also being closely inspected for further progress. Several pillars are already in place and remain ready for their box sections, alongside the previously seen slingshot structure. With activity now beginning to spread across this level, the next updates should give us an even clearer picture of how the 3rd tier is progressing toward its final form. Today, there appears to be quite a lot of activity, especially in the interior section, where several workers can be seen carrying out different tasks. More workers also appear to be active inside the first VIP ring, while some of the interior walls have already been rendered, giving them a much smoother and more polished appearance. These surfaces are expected to receive a gray layer of paint to match the tone of the surrounding sandwich panels. Meanwhile, the decorative slats are already fitted with their lighting fixtures, bringing this section one step closer to revealing its visual effect. Before leaving the area, there is another major development inside one of the diamonds. The stepped seating structure has progressed significantly since the beginning of the week. Earlier, the reinforcement was still clearly visible and only the first panels had begun to appear, but now much of the step shape has already been formed. Work is continuing across the remaining lower sections, and the structure is moving steadily toward the next stage of concrete work. Back in the Tribune area, more anchors are now being installed across another section, including the upper and lower levels as well as parts of the false ceiling. Workers continue preparing this entire area for the ceramic slats, while the central Tribune section already appears largely ready. The remaining areas around the mobility cores are also moving through their preparation stage, as the facade gradually gets ready for the next major phase of ceramic cladding. Another concrete panel is now being transported toward Gol Norte, where 3 panels have already been installed along the exterior of the mobility core. This new panel will become the 4th addition to the same section, confirming that the installation work is continuing to expand. At the same time, more LED fixtures are being installed around the areas where the ceramic slats are already in place, with the lighting system gradually extending across more sections of the stadium. And with that, we come to the end of today's update. Progress continues across multiple areas of Spotify Camp Nou, with the compression ring preparing for its next important stage, the Tribune getting ready for the ceramic slats, mobility cores moving closer to receiving sandwich panels at new levels, and the diamond structures continuing to take shape. Meanwhile, Gol Norte remains especially active with concrete panels, LED installations, and structural work all moving forward together. The transformation continues step by step, and every new stage is bringing the future Spotify Camp Nou closer to its final identity.